Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, po.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, 101%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I want to give my family a better future.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Aside from the feedback that the Malaysian employer are good, I chose Malaysia because nearest country in the Philippines, and the same time, we're the same time here in the Philippines.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Fatima Apilado. I am 34 years old. I have I have 4 years working experience here in the Philippines, and high school. I am a high school graduate.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, Fatima. Are you single or married?
Single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
April 20, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and my weight is 40 kilograms.
Sorry, can you repeat?
But
49.
my 48 kilograms.
48. What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic. Can you tell me more about your family's details?
My family's details. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife.
Okay, how old is your father and your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your parents?
My parents are 64 years old.
Both?
Same 60. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have 4 sisters.
What about brother?
I don't have brothers, ma'am.
Okay, what is your rank in your family?
Third middle child.
You are the third. So is your family or your parents also allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
Because you were going to sign a 2 years contract. You know that you know what are you up to, right? You were going to
Yes,
work
ma'am.
as a domestic helper and you cannot go back home for 2 years. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am. I ready.
You need to prepare yourself because you will going to sign a 2 years contract, and once you breach or terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay?
Yes.
Nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the
Yes.
one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means, in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit, and if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
We don't force people to come here. Hi, how many times I have told you, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come, but don't give us problem. If you disagree, it's okay also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. We just wanted to be specific here. We want to be clear and clarify all those words, clear, clarify, specific, as long as you understand our rules and regulations. Yeah?
Yes.
For being a first timer, frequently homesickness will strike you anytime and anywhere. What will you do if homesickness strikes you?
I always remember what is the reason why I go to abroad. That for that to give the better future of my family.
Okay. So you have mentioned just a while ago that you have a working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines for 4 years.
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Albay, Bicol.
Albay. So how many years you worked there? 4 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish working to your previous employment in Albay?
I working there for 4 years, start 2013 to 2017.
2013 to 2017. What is your job responsibilities there?
Taking care of children and cooking, ironing, and do cleaning the house.
Did you do laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
12 years old and 5 years old.
Okay, so after 2017, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am. I have. As of now, I currently working as a sales lady
Okay, so how many years you work as a sales lady?
from 2020 up to now, ma'am.
Until recently.
That's
So
recently.
you are a sales lady in is it a mall or what? Or grocery?
Department store, ma'am. Watch, watch repair.
Watch. Okay. So I already told you that being a domestic helper is a very tough job, okay? We are not playing here. You need to get ready yourself, fasten your seatbelt, because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
As actually, I don't have any idea for taking care of older, but I'm willing. I'm willing to.
Okay. So you can cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I'm willing, ma'am, but I don't have experience.
Okay. As long as you are okay, then we don't have problem, yeah? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I love pets.
Okay, very good. So as I have mentioned many times, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries that you are applying for, no such thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. Yeah? We need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. We need to humble ourselves because we are not the boss in other countries. In Philippines, we can be the boss. We can do whatever we want there, but not in other countries. Yeah? If you have any problems or if you have any concerns inside the employer's house, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Fatima. But I don't want to hear that. I just wanted to let you know that if you are really willing to come and work here in Malaysia, we don't want to hear later that this Fatima wanted to back out. It's a waste of time that we do the initial interview and then suddenly you will not proceed your application and you are nowhere to found. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and
Bye-bye.
have a good day. Bye.